Let's see. I think it's on. This is Betsy.
Hi.
Feeding Chirp. There she goes. She's feeding it. Okay. What do you think of that, Chirp? Just squirt it down her throat. Now put it right down her throat. There she goes. Okay, now put some more in there. Okay, now take your hand and put it like this. Let's see if she'll jump on. No, put the thing down and put your hand out. Okay. She's trying so hard. She's trying so hard. Okay, now put the thing down and let her jump on your hand. All the way down like that. Oh, she's stuck up now. She's stuck up. Okay. Oh, what'd you think of the